Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 1721, swapping nodes in a linked list. The way we'll be approaching this problem is by using two pointers, slow and fast. So let's jump right in. A couple of things that you need to set up the question is that you need three nodes, slow, fast, and first, and all of them point towards head. The first step you need to take is to initialize a for loop that will go from 0 to k minus 1. And the reason why we're doing k minus 1 is because all of the nodes are already at, they've taken their first step already by pointing the nodes towards head. So that's the reason why you're going from 0 to k minus 1 instead of 0 to k. And what you're doing here is you're just saying, hey, you know what, like fast, just move it to the next node for k times, and this way you will have access to the first node, which is the first kth node. So once we have access to that, we just assign the value to the first node, right? So we have the first kth node, and what we need now is the second kth node from the end. So how will we achieve that? We will use a while loop for that, and we will say, hey, while the fast.next is not equal to null, keep moving both of the nodes. Fast.next, fast would be equal to fast.next, and slow would be equal to slow.next. So what exactly is happening here, right? So since fast is already k steps ahead, by the time fast reaches the end of the linked list, low would be pointing towards the kth node from the end. So now we have access to both of the nodes. The first kth node and the last kth node, which we have access to with slow. So the thing you need to do in the end is just swap the value. So int temp would be equal to first dot value. So you would say slow dot value would be equal to, oh no, sorry, first dot value is equal to slow dot value, and slow dot value would be equal to temp. And in the end, you would just return the head. Right, so quickly let's compile this and see if it's okay. The first test case is okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's quickly talk about the space and the time complexity. This space complexity of the entire solution is of 1 since we are not really using any additional space. And the time complexity is of n since we are iterating through all of the nodes in the linked list. Awesome. So that's the solution for this problem. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe. I would really, really appreciate that. And if there are any other questions on LeetCode that you want me to solve, also let me know in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to solve it for you. See you all in the next video. Peace.